Our lesson for today is about the general form of the equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, where d, e, and f are real numbers. This equation is obtained by expanding the standard equation of a circle. It's like this equation, the x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f, is derived from the standard equation of a circle, which is this one. Here, we have the standard equation of a circle, which is the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where the center is the h and k and the radius measures r units. Or if the center is at the origin, the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So that this general form of the equation of a circle is derived from that formula or equation. We call it an equation. So we have here, I'm going to explain to you the example number 5. Transform the equation x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 15 into the general form of the equation of a circle. So we have here the steps in solving this equation or transforming this equation into a general form of the equation of a circle. Because this equation, the x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 15, is the standard form of the equation of a circle. This is the standard form. Means the value of h is 5 and the value of k is 3. Means the center, the hk, is 5 and 3. So now, we will first, to solve the problem, we will expand the squares of a binomial into perfect square trinomials. First and foremost, how do you identify binomials? You can call an expression with a single term of a monomial. An expression with two terms in a binomial is a binomial. So if it's like this one, this example, this x minus 5 squared only is a monomial. And since this is a two monomial, which is the x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared, this is now we call binomial because it's more than one monomial. It's like one algebraic expression plus one algebraic expression equals two algebraic expression. We called it binomial, okay? And an expression with three terms is a trinomial. An expression with more than three terms is named simply by its number of terms. Then a perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that can be written as the square of binomial. Recall that when a binomial is squared, the result is the square of the first term added to twice the product of the two terms and the square of the last term. We can use the equation to factor any perfect square trinomial. means that a trinomial is the product if you expand this x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 15. If you expand this equation, it will become a trinomial. Why? Because x minus 5 times x minus 5, and this is a monomial. Now, if we will factor this or multiply by 2, this binomial, this two equation, it will become x squared. We will multiply x times x equals x squared plus negative 5 times x, and then from this one again negative 5 times x. So you have x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus, you will multiply these two, the product of the two terms. 5 times 5 equals 25. Since it's negative 5 times negative 5, it will become positive. The product of negative to negative will become positive. But if it's negative times positive, it is negative. So, same with this one here, this one monomial. It will become y squared. If you multiply y times y equals y squared, then minus 3 times y equals minus 3y. Then this one minus 3y times plus negative 3 times negative 3 equals positive 9. So, this is the equation now of this binomial. Then after, you will see the factor here, x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus 25. This is now become x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 15. Okay? Then the next step, arrange the terms according to the general equation of a circle. So now, you will arrange this equation that you arrive into the general equation of a circle, which is above this one. X squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Okay? So, arrange the terms. So you will add all of this. This one, you will add all of that, then into this general equation of a circle. Now it will become x squared plus y squared minus 10x. Since it's negative, supposed to be it's plus dx plus ey plus f, right? Equals 0. So, since it's negative 10x, then negative 6y plus 34 equals 15. The next step, number 3, addition property of equality. So, you will add, so in order that this here will become 0, you will add both sides by 15. Or actually the simplest thing for that is like, in order to make it 0 here, you will put here, if you will put here in this equation, it will become negative, like 34 minus 15 equals 0. If two expressions are equal to each other, and you add same value to both sides of the equation will remain equal. Like this. That is the addition property of equality, or the ape. So it's like, in order that it will become 0 in here, you will deduct both sides same value with 15. Then after that, the fourth step is you will simplify. Now, here it's 0 already, 15 minus 15, then in the right side, and then in the left side, 34 minus 15 equals 19. So this is now the standard equation of a circle. Okay? And then, that's it. This is the number 5. That is the number 5 example. Now I will teach you how to graph a circle. Actually, in this equation, considering the standard equation of a circle, which is the x minus h squared plus y minus 3 minus k squared equals r squared. Considering that one, it's like we have a value of h and y and k. We have, in this equation, it's like the value of h, we have the center of a circle, right, in the standard equation of a circle, hk. So the value of h is 5, and the value of k equals 3, and the radius equals the square root of 15, because the radius here is r squared. This is 15 is equivalent to r squared. So if you will take the square of 15, what is the square of 15? Square root of 15. Where is the symbol? It's not here. Okay. The square root of radius is, it's like, is 15. Square root, because there's no symbol. Square root of 15. Okay? So, if we plot the points, we have already the center from 5 to 3. Okay? Then the radius is equivalent to the square root of 15. You can if you have calculator, you can consider that. So I'm going to teach you how to graph a circle. The graph of a circle is completely determined by its center and radius. Standard form of the equation is this one, like what I have explained earlier. The center is hk and the radius measures r units. The graph of a circle mark points r units up, down, left, and right from center means the radius, let's say this is the circle. The center is from 0, 0. So this x horizontal line, the horizontal line is x and the vertical line is y. So any line or distance from 0 to any point, we call it radius. So the radius from the center to any points of the circle in this line is equal. So, from this equation, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. If the center of a circle is at 0, 0. Because usually how to find the value of y, we will consider the value of x as 0. We will assume the value of x as 0. Or we can also consider the value of y equals 0 to find the value of x. We can consider the value of x as 0 to find the value of y. Here, if we consider the value of x is 0, so y squared equals 49. Means the square root of the value of y is the square root of 49, which is equal to 7. So, if x is 0, the value of y is 7 here. See, this is 0 to, because you will find the point from the vertex 0, x to y is 0 to 7. So, any line from the center going to any points within this circle is equal to 7. So that's how we draw a circle, or how we graph the circle.